I did it. I paid an AI to trade stocks for me for 30 days. And let me tell you, it was a roller coaster of emotions, caffeine, and financial whiplash. This machine had no soul, but it had one heck of a spreadsheet. And by the end of it, I made money, or lost money, or maybe cried a little. You'll see. Let's dive into the chaos. You won't believe what happened. Part 1, why I did this crazy thing. So, why did I pay an AI to trade stocks for me? Well, here's the thing. I'm not great at this whole buy low, sell high thing. I'm more of a buy high, panic, sell low, eat cheese kind of guy. I'd been dabbling in stocks for years, made some gains, lost more gains, made emotional decisions based on memes. Thanks, Reddit. But then I thought, wait a minute, AI doesn't freak out when Elon Musk tweets something insane. It doesn't get FOMO. It doesn't YOLO into GameStop at 3 a.m. So what if I just let a machine do it? A machine with no feelings? Just pure logic, cold math, and caffeine. Okay, not caffeine, but I needed a lot of it. Part 2, setting up the AI bot. Now here's where things get spicy. I signed up for a platform called Quantum Trade, 3000. Okay, that's not the real name, but let's pretend it is because it sounds like it was built by Tony Stark's unemployed cousin. This AI bot offered automated trading using machine learning risk tolerance settings from careful grandma to degenerate gambler, real-time sentiment analysis from social media, and most importantly, a cool dashboard with graphs and colors that made me feel like a Wall Street hacker. I gave it access to a $2,000 trading account and said, "Go nuts, buddy. Make Papa proud." Part 3, day 1 through 7, the honeymoon. The first week was like a first date that's going too well. Day 1, plus $12. It bought Apple stock after a dip and sold 2 hours later with a gain. Day 2, plus $18. Tesla dip, boom, recovery, AI nailed it. By day 4, I'm thinking I've unlocked infinite money. Like I discovered a cheat code for life. My confidence through the roof. I even started researching yachts, not buying one, just, mood boarding. Part 4, week 2. The twist. But just when I was getting cocky, day 8, minus $34. Okay, fine. Everybody has bad days. Day 9, minus $65. Wait, what? Day 10, minus $112. I swear I saw smoke coming out of the AI's dashboard. The AI bought into a tech stock based on social media hype, and then it tanked. Hard. Turns out, the AI was too good at listening to Twitter. Bad move. That place is a digital dumpster fire. It was like watching your genius honor student fail gym class by running into a wall. Part 5, midpoint crisis. By day 15, my account balance was lower than my self-esteem in 8th grade. I started questioning everything. Had I just created Skynet, but for losing money? Was I going to have to get a second job selling essential oils on Facebook? And worst of all, was I about to tell my wife that a robot spent our grocery money on meme stocks? Spoiler, she was not amused. But then, the comeback began. Part 6, week 3, AI gets serious. Suddenly, the AI stopped making weird bets and started acting like Warren Buffett. It ditched Twitter sentiment and leaned hard into historical trends, earnings reports, and boring but steady companies. It bought Costco, Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson. Not sexy, but safe. Day 18, plus $40. Day 19, plus $22. Day 21, plus $78. I actually started trusting it again. I was like, okay, robot, you had your rebellious teen phase. Now let's be adults. Part 7, final week. The grand finale, week 4, was chaos and redemption. The AI tried a few swing trades, held onto a semiconductor stock for 3 days, exited before earnings tanked it, bought into an ETF that mirrored the S&P 500, even shorted a crypto-related stock after seeing bearish indicators. Like, what? I was back in the green. Not yacht money, but I can order guac and not panic money. Part 8, the results. So after 30 days, How did my robot overlord do? Starting balance, $2,000. Ending balance, $2,237.66. Profit, $237.66. That's an 11.88% gain in 1 month. Compare that to the S&P 500, which went up around 2.5% that same month. My AI outperformed it by a mile. But let's not forget, there were huge swings. I definitely had a few panic-induced migraines. And let's not pretend like this thing couldn't have lost everything if it had decided to bet big on Dogecoin, the sequel. Part 9. What I learned. Here's what I learned from 30 days of AI trading. AI is powerful, but not perfect. It's only as good as the data it's fed. And sometimes, that data is Twitter. So yeah, danger. AI doesn't panic, but you might. Watching your account go up and down like a yo-yo is not for the faint of heart. I aged 3 years in 30 days. Set clear rules. My bot had limits. No more than $100 on a single trade. If I hadn't set that, I'd probably be filming this from a van down by the river. I won't replace humans yet. But man, it made some smarter moves than I ever did. Part 10. Would I do it again? Would I do it again? Heck yes. But this time, I'd use a paper trading account first, learn the hard way, choose a bot with transparency, some of them are black boxes, and I'd never tell my wife again until it worked. Because nothing's worse than explaining to your spouse that the robot spent your money on Reddit hype and vibes. So, I paid an AI to trade stocks for 30 days. And honestly, it kind of crushed it. Sure, there were some terrifying moments, but I ended up with a decent profit, a lot of laughs, and a newfound respect for my silicon sidekick. Would I recommend it? Only if you're ready to lose the money, you're not investing your rent, and you're cool with watching a robot do better than you. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this wild experiment. Subscribe for more chaotic AI adventures, and let me know in the comments if you'd ever trust a bot with your money. Until next time, may your stocks be green, your bots be smart, and your nerves be stronger than mine.